Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Freight Master Resources. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to become a freight broker. Okay, freight brokers are responsible for matching shippers with carriers. They help to ensure that goods are delivered on time and in good condition. To get started, there are a few different ways to get started as a freight broker. One way is to get a job with a freight brokerage company. This is a great way to learn the business and gain experience. Another way to get started is to start your own freight brokerage company. This is a more challenging option, but it can also be very rewarding. Some of the steps involved in becoming a freight broker are: if you decide to start your freight brokerage company, there are a few steps that you need to take. First, you need to get a USDOT number. This is a number that is issued by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. You also will need a surety bond, and that bond protects shippers in case you fail to deliver their goods. That bond is also there in place in case you fail to pay your carriers. Okay. Once you have your USDOT number and surety bond, the next step is to go out and find shippers and carriers. Shippers are the people who need to ship their goods. Okay. Carriers are the people who transport the goods. You need to find shippers and carriers through online directories or by networking. All right. I highly suggest networking because with networking, it really opens up a whole new world, right? And it doesn't matter if it's the freight industry or any other industry. Networking is huge, right? And especially if you're brand new and kind of struggling, you really need to kind of put yourself out there, make connections, build relationships. Okay. Once you've found shippers and carriers, you need to negotiate the rates. Rates are the prices that shippers pay to carriers to transport their goods. You need to negotiate rates that are both fair to shippers and carriers. Finally, you will more than likely need to track shipments. This is important to make sure that goods are delivered on time and in good condition. You can track shipments through online tracking systems or by contacting carriers directly, which are called updates. Something else that we use to track shipments would be something like MacroPoint, for instance. Okay. The benefits of being a freight broker. There are many benefits of being a freight broker. One benefit is that you can make a very good living. Freight brokers typically earn a commission on the freight that they move. Another benefit is that you have the opportunity to be your own boss. If you start your own freight brokerage company, you can set your own hours and work from anywhere. The challenges of being a freight broker. There are also some challenges to being a freight broker. One challenge is that the freight industry is constantly changing or evolving. You need to stay up to date on the latest regulations, technology. Okay. Other challenges that are in the freight industry is that it can be very competitive. You need to find ways to differentiate yourself from your competitors. If you've seen some of my previous videos on freight broker sales, how to find shippers, things like this, we actually go a little bit more in depth on different ways of finding prospects and turning those prospects into customers, right? So you build your book of business. Freight brokering can be a great career. It is a rewarding career that offers the opportunity to make a good living and be your own boss. However, it is important to be aware of the challenges before you get started. If you are willing to work hard and learn the business, you can be successful as a freight broker. I'd like to appreciate everybody for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that little subscriber thingy that I have there. All right. And as always, thanks for watching.